Okay, we're gonna unbox this SaladMaster and check.
What's inside? Yeah, it is a SaladMaster kettle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, look at the
It is said SaladMaster
salad.
is made of
Look at the description.
stainless steel 316 titanium. It is a high-grade stainless steel. So this is SaladMaster we have just received just now. So Prince Jay will unbox it. Okay, you unbox Jay. What's inside? Slowly. Are you excited?
Yeah, I took much later. Just rip the box out.
Yeah, they said this one is if we use for boiling water, it can produce a high pH water which can kill
and it have
cancer
an
cells. What is that?
Instruction.
Yeah, okay. So we have to read that later on. And then can you show us what's inside the box?
Drum roll, please.
Yeah, what is that?
Everybody, drum roll.
Are you excited with your kettle?
Wait, I think it's stuck. Oh!
What's that? Can you take? Careful.
I can take out.
Okay, never mind.
Oh, never mind.
What's that? What's
the
that?
part of the part of the kettle.
Okay, and then?
It looks like a giant lipstick like this.
And then?
By the way, hi sisters. Wait, what the okay.
You take out the one first.
Okay.
Take out the carton. No, take out the carton first.
Okay.
So
Okay.
You put here on top.
What was that? Huh?
You put on the table ba?
Here. Okay, how to do this?
You pull up.
Pull up. Like this. Okay. It's like an armor.
Okay.
Thank God.
Then what's inside?
It's stuck. Wait. Give a sec. Okay. Oh, check it out.
Can you take out the plastic?
Drum roll, please.
Oh, this is how it looks like. So,
now it's time to put this thing inside.
Oh, that is the cover. This is a whistling kettle, right? Wow, so cute and so nice. So, can you show?
Open it inside. Put water inside. Then, after that,
we will try later on to boil water.
Put something inside like titanium. Oh, I experienced how to do.
No, just put like that only.
Okay.
You need to twist.
I need to open this, the front one, the edge. Wait.
No. Oh, you try.
I can need to hold. I need.
No, that is the cover ba? No need to open.
Okay. Next.
So, that's it.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, we will not tell the price how much is it. You just research. You Google. Okay.
Google it.
Thank you, SaladMaster, for being part of your family.
And wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay.